Hi, Robert. What have you been doing today? You look so dirty. Oh, me? I have been gardening all day. Really? How was it? Oh, it was wonderful. I have been planting flowers and planting grass, and I have been trimming the shrubs. Oh, really? You've been doing it all day? Yes, about 6 hours, but the garden looks perfect now. Great, I'd love to see it. Let's go. So, what you just heard was a conversation about gardening in English using the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is a time of grammar that we want to use when we talk about an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped connected with the now. So we use the present perfect continuous to talk about things that we were doing in the past, a continuous action, but that the activity has stopped recently. How do we form the present perfect continuous? Let's look. We form the present perfect continuous by using the verb have for I, you, we, and they, plus been, plus the verb in the gerund form, which is the ing. Then we use the verb has for he, she, and it, plus been, plus the verb in the gerund, ing form. Let's look at some examples of the present perfect continuous. Oh, you look all wet. What have you been doing? Oh, I have been walking in the rain. So we have been plus the verb in the gerund. So we also use the present perfect continuous with the time words how long, since, and for. They mark times in the past that actions were continuing until these times. Let's look at an example. How long have you been studying English? This is a question. When we make a question, sometimes we put the have and then the subject and then been and then the verb in the gerund. So in the answer, we're going to use the word since. And it goes like this. I have been studying English since I was 15 years old. Or since 1999. I have been studying English since I was 15 years old or 1999. We use since with either an age or an exact date. We use for, so you can say I have been studying English for 3 years. It tells how long. We use it with the year period when we say the word years. Good. So these are two examples of how we use the present perfect continuous that talk about actions that are repeated over a period of time. You have repeatedly been studying English over a period of time since you were 15. So let's remember when we use the present perfect continuous. We use it to talk about actions repeated over a period of time. And we use it to talk about an activity stopped recently connected with the now. So I hope these examples have helped you to learn about the present perfect continuous, and I encourage you to look at more videos about other present perfect verb forms and grammar. And the next time you want to tell people what you have been doing with your day, you can use present perfect continuous. Good luck with your English.